Welcome back. Today we're going to analyze the US stock market. As you might have noticed, the US stock market has been going down. All the instruments have been going down in the last weeks. Well, why is that? And do we have to worry? I'm going to keep this video a little shorter. I'm not really feeling too well. Maybe you can hear it in my voice. So let's keep it simple. Go back to the line chart. That's what we do first. So the overall trend is up. We've been seeing higher highs, higher lows all the time. That's pretty clear. It's a bullish market. So now we are going to look at this. We broke through those highs. That's the first one. Alright. So this is support. Broke through. Higher highs again. Then you have a support again here. Did test that over there in the COVID. Then it broke through again. So we have again higher high, higher low, higher high. And then we have a very clear support here, which is a 2022 high. So this level is really important. It's the recent support. Really important. That's what we need to look at. The recent support. So price is going in higher highs, lower highs, and it tries to find support at the recent level. So tests, breaks up, test, breaks up. That's the definition of an uptrend. So when we try to do it and look at this as a 12 monthly chart, it's not that uncommon. You saw this break, 2023 closed above, Mariposa candle, so enough volume. 2024 was also positive, but we did see some wicks. So over there, wicks. Not a lot, but there is some. Which means at the end of the year, people have been selling. So this candle is not the strongest, indicating price might retrace to the recent support. So we can see something like this, all the way down to there. From all-time highs, this would be a drop of around 17%. Not really that crazy. But what was everyone expecting? The stock market to go up because of President Trump. There is a thing called buy the rumor, sell the fact, meaning people might buy into the rumor, and once it happens and price went up, people anticipate it, get out of it, take profits, and that's what might be happening right now. So when we look at this and we would want to enter, right there at this recent support zone. Okay, zoom into the 3 monthly charts. So we can see a little uptrend here as well. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, lower, higher lows. And now we can find a support again, which is this support. That's a recent support. Also this candle on the 3 monthly chart, this green candle, you can see a lot of wicks as well. It indicates there's more selling than buying. You see the open and the close is a really small candle, meaning price might potentially break below if it breaks below the low of the candle, which is this. So again, bearish signals. Then when we go to the monthly chart, we can see this. So this is call this 3 monthly support, 3 monthly candle low. What we can see here is higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, and lower lows. So this is where price starts to move back down. This zone, and that's the resistance again. So this is break of structure, resistance. All right. So on the monthly chart, we are bearish. We broke because we made lower highs and lower lows. So we're in a downtrend on the monthly chart. What's the next target? That's the 3 monthly support. That's where we're heading to. And another support, if we get a deeper retracement, that's all the way down to the recent support, the 2022 highs. So now we're looking for shorts. We want to go shorting this market. We don't want to buy. You can also use this level in the shorter term and go to the daily. You can get a cleared level. So you can adjust this, for example. This is a bit noisy, so let's just keep it up there. Anyways, we have bearish momentum. So sell off. We're now down like almost 10% of all-time highs, and we can expect some movement down all the way down there. We can also add some trend lines. The start of the COVID recovery after the crash. up, recession, bad year, up again, Trump president, and now going down. We can see price respects these lines. 1, 2, 3 touches, potential fourth one. So maybe this zone is not really that bad to look at, the 3 monthly support. What do we expect price to do on the lower time frame? Can be anything, but we wanna, maybe see something like this, short it all the way down to there. A lot of people have been in a drawdown at the moment because of this pullback, but on the long term, so the 3 monthly chart for example, I'm gonna delete everything again, we're still doing fine. So this is the recent support. We can expect buyers to enter here, people buy here, and then want to go long again, want to buy again. So that's why you can expect price to go to. And if you could put some Fibonacci extensions on it, this is where, maybe just above the recent support Fibonacci levels, where we see some momentum. Just gonna add some scenarios. Price might also do this, test there, and then break up. That's all possible, but this retracement is healthy. It's normal, completely normal. Price is just looking for a support zone, buyers to get in here in order to go back up higher, to break new highs. I wouldn't worry too much. I don't think price will collapse. Maybe if we can see a deeper retracement, if you can see some political difficulties, economic difficulties, we might see a deeper retracement all the way down to the 22 highs, or that's here. That's a 37,000 level. But then we're still up. It still would be looking for support in order to go higher. So yeah, it's just a dip, and you might find a good entry to buy. So don't worry, hold, be patient, and don't stress out. Have a nice weekend. I hope you liked this video. So take care, and thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment to support me. Thank you.